Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the Unity UI color picker. While unzipping the package, you'll have 4 folders plus the documentation. The first folder will be your color palettes. We found these on the interwebs, however you can use any picture you want. I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. The next folder is your prefabs folder. You'll have a circle and a square color palette and color picker system already created. If I drag and drop one of these, this is a canvas. Inside are the pictures and the code attached. So to make this all work, all you have to do is add an event system. If you already have a Unity UI canvas in a scene, probably you have already an event system. But I don't, so let me create one right now. Game object UI event system. And then when I hit play, you can see that it'll start working. To see that it works, you can select wherever you have your color picker Unity UI, and you'll see that the value changes as I move around the circle. One thing to mention is that the color palettes do need a collider, and that you should only stretch the color palettes with width and height and not by scale. Otherwise, we'll have some flickering in the colors. So as you see, there used to be flickering when you moved out and now of the color palette, and that there stopped because of the scaling. Same thing works with the square color palette. If I drag and drop the square color palette, if I open the object, I can see that the colors change as I select it like this. To show you how that works on the demo scene, let me open that for you right now. If I open up the demo scene, don't save this scene, hit play, you'll see that all the objects change color. Here we use the other color palettes, and we've also added the feature that when you press, it snaps to that color. And again, no strange flickering. So how does this all work? Well, clicking on the camera, there's a change color tool. All you have to do is call the value change inside of Unity, and let me show you this script and how easy it is to set up the color picker. So inside the script, you'll see that all we do is grab a public variable here, and then we call it the value to change the colors. And all you have to do is get component, and it's a public variable. So it's pretty easy to use. Code's all commented. Now, what if you want to use your own picture as a color palette? Well, there's a few things you have to do. Inside game view, so you can see a little better, I have a picture of a dog. Very pretty. I'm going to just throw it in the color palettes, load that import, and then I will do a couple changes to the picture. So the picture can't be a texture, it has to be actually a Unity sprite. When you hit OK, once that's converted, you can also do advanced settings, and this is what you really need to do is enable the read and write. So now it's able to read and write all the information in the picture in bits. So now we can go in the canvases and go on the the camera, since that one's already a square, and drag and drop picture. Now the picture is kind of small, so you won't be able to see how accurate it is, but it's really accurate. It just grabs the position of the circle. So as you see, you can use any picture you'd like, and it gets that bit information from the picture. This will allow you to use any type of picture you'd like and not have to bother with working with code to make a certain color palette, but one that you can create simply in Paint. That is the demonstration video for the Unity UI color picker. I hope this video helps, and I hope this package helps you in your future projects as well. Thank you so much.